Hi, this is Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for our affiliate program. So first off, you'll need to come to the affiliate page and scroll down here to the second section. And we've made it easy, 3 simple steps. And on step number 2, you're going to have a Groove free account. We use the Groove affiliate software to push our program. So we'll cover that on step 2. But on step 1, just come over here and enter in your name and your email and click the red button. And then that will bring you down here to step 2. If you have a Groove account already, you will just enter your login details, and if you don't, you can come over here and create your free Groove account. And when you get down here to username, use something that people will recognize you by, like your name or your Instagram handle or something like that, because it'll show up on the checkout page as the referrer, so you want people to know that it's you. Once you've logged into your Groove account, the tools will be here, and mainly what you're going to be concerned with on this page are the links and your stats. So if you click on the links here, this first tab are the affiliate links that we're going to have. So this one here is going to the sales page where the payment is. They can pay here, and then this is our free giveaway. So you can decide which one to send them to. And then if you're going to recruit people, like for the second tier affiliate program that we have, you'll click over here, and this link will take them to the affiliate page, the one that you're on now, getting ready to sign up, so they can sign up there and they'll be under you. Alright, so you just click this button here to go back, and then as you start promoting your link, you're going to see some stats are going to be collected here in your commission, so you can check that out to see how things are going. And this video here, this is a Groove video, so it does have some information on it. It doesn't all apply to our affiliate program. You can check it out, and then there's some resources here that may help you out. You can check them out. Okay, so the last thing here is we pay out using PayPal. So this video here will explain to you how to go in and enter your PayPal information. You don't need to enter your bank wire information at this time. But put that in there in your tax ID number, and you'll be good to go.